So, this is what I will be cooking today or tomorrow. It's 4 of them in this little box. I had no idea. Well, I've had them before, but I didn't really realize how small. Oh my God. Well, ooh, that scared me. Look on the other side. I did not realize how, like for real, how small quail are. Like, I did, but I didn't. I haven't had them in probably about 20 years. Oh, look at my nails. I did them, by the way. Yeah. Anyways, this is a gel polish that does this, like, when you have the flash on. If anybody wants it, I'll have the link for it, just a little FYI. But yeah, gonna be cooking these today, and I'll show you guys what I do with them. I can't wait. I've been wanting some quail for so long. This thing is little as fuck. Like, what the hell? I have no idea. So if you have any recipe ideas for this, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm just gonna look on Pinterest and see what they say.